Want to know how to detect open ports using Tenable Nessus? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, so stick around to learn how to effectively scan for open ports and identify vulnerabilities that could compromise your network. First off, let's quickly go over what Tenable Nessus is. Nessus is one of the most powerful vulnerability scanning tools out there, trusted by security professionals worldwide. It helps detect potential security flaws in your network, including open ports, which could be an entry point for attackers. If you're looking to use Nessus, there's a free version you can get from the first link below, and with our exclusive bonuses, it's a deal you won't want to miss. Now, let's dive into detecting open ports. The first thing you want to do is launch Tenable Nessus on your machine and create a new scan. Once you're in the dashboard, click on New Scan and select a scan type. For detecting open ports, the basic network scan is what we'll be using. This scan will check your network for open ports, services, and other vulnerabilities. Next thing, you'll need to enter your target IP address or the range of IPs you want to scan. This could be your entire network or just a specific device you're concerned about. After entering the IPs, you can adjust scan settings, but for most cases, the default settings will work perfectly fine for detecting open ports. Now, the third thing you should do is hit that Save button and give your scan a name. This will help you stay organized if you're running multiple scans in the future. Once saved, click the Launch button to start the scan. Nessus will begin scanning the specified IP addresses for open ports, as well as checking for vulnerabilities in those ports. The fourth thing you'll notice is the progress bar. The scan might take some time depending on how many IPs you're scanning, but don't worry, Nessus will notify you once the scan is complete. When it finishes, you'll see the results with a detailed report showing which ports are open and which services are running on them. When the scan is complete, you'll want to go through the results. Nessus provides a clear breakdown of every open port, including the service running on each port and any known vulnerabilities associated with them. This allows you to assess your network security and take the necessary steps to close any exposed ports or patch any vulnerabilities. To wrap up, now that you know how to detect open ports using Tenable Nessus, you'll be able to keep your network secure from threats. Whether you're a cybersecurity professional or someone just learning about network security, this tool can make a big difference in protecting your systems. Remember, Tenable Nessus is available for free, and by clicking the first link below, you can access an exclusive, extended free trial with added bonuses that will make your security tasks even easier. Thanks for watching! Make sure you get that free trial below and stay secure.